I will be sharing how to use person correlation or person R correlation. So here, uh, so s- yun pa rin yung data na gagamitin natin. But for this video, since we are focused on Pearson correlation, basically we want to test hypothesis. So let's say for instance, this is the null hypothesis. There is a significant relationship between the level of verbal and non-verbal sexual harassment experienced by college students. So as you can see with this, these are both continuous data. These are not categorical data. Meaning to say these are uh, responses of the respondent using the Likert scale. So, okay, let's go back to Jamovi. So from Jamovi, you have to click analyze. From analyze, you have to click regression and then click correlation. From correlation, as you can see with this, since we are focused on continuous data, so the focus of our data here is the overall mean score or the overall responses of the respondents for the verbal and then non-verbal. These are the responses answered by the respondents using a 5-point Likert scale. Okay. So as you can see with this, as once I input here the on the right side the data, the verbal and non-verbal, you can observe that the responses or the results using a person, correlation coefficient person or ay narito agad. Ano po, as you can see, meron siyang Pearson R value, meron sing degrees of freedom and p-value. So here, as you can see with this result, meaning to say the result is greater than. If it is greater than 0.05, basically failed to reject the null hypothesis and not significant. We can also observe here that 270 is the person R value, meaning to say this is the relationship, there is a relationship. But this there is a as sabi nga po, since this is a 0.70 ang pinakang computation niya, positive to 7.70, which is weak yung kanyang relationship, as you can see with the tables here. Ano po? The 0.2 to 0.4 weak positive. There is a weak not significant. There is a weak significant relationship. There is a weak uh, relationship. There is a weak positive relationship. But this relationship is not significant. Ano pa? So since this is greater than 0.05, you can click the plug significant correlation for the PA to identify, to give you or to help you if this items are significant or none. Ano po, makakatulong din po yun. Pero pwede naman pong wala kasi dito pa lamang it reveals that the p-value is greater than 0.05. Ano po? I hope nakatulong po sa computation of Pearson R correlation. Thank you so much.